friends, welcome back to my channel Kanav Jan in the kitchen. So today we are gonna make the stuffed tandoori aloo. The tandoori aloo is a very delicious dish which is made easily available ingredients at the home. So let's get on to the dish. So let me introduce you to my ingredients. Over here we have boiled and scooped out potatoes, cheese, chena, scooped out part of the potatoes, some hung curd, some mint and coriander chutney, lemon juice, ajwain, kasturi methi, garlic, ginger and green chili, some besan, some more crushed garlic and ginger, some black pepper and some salt. Let us start with the marination. So I have heated some oil in a pan and I am adding some ajwain seeds, 1 teaspoon. Crushed ginger, garlic and green chili. After roasting, we'll add 2 tablespoons of besan. Now I'm adding 2 tablespoons of besan. Now you can see the besan has given it a nice color, and now I'm adding 2 tablespoons of kasturi methi. We'll rub the kasturi methi so that it releases its flavor. So, now we'll let it cool down. This mixture to the hung curd. To this we'll add some mint chutney. The mint gives an extra flavor to the marination. Lemon juice. I'm adding some lemon juice. Now I'm adding salt. And some pepper. And we'll mix it. We'll mix it well. To give some more green color, we'll add some more chutney to it. My marination is giving a very beautiful fragrance. My marination is ready and now I'll keep it in the fridge for 10 minutes. We are heating oil in a pan to fry our potatoes. In the meantime, we'll make our stuffing. Since the oil is heating, let us start with the stuffing. Over here, I've taken some homemade paneer. Some cheese. And the scooped out part of the potatoes. It's fried. Some black pepper. Some salt. And now we'll mix it well. Some ginger and green chili crushed. And now we'll mix it well. We'll crush the potatoes from our back of this spoon. My marination is done and now we'll fry our potatoes. Not don't overdo it, otherwise it will break. My potatoes are done. I'm taking them out. My potatoes are fried and now we'll stuff them. Now we are stuffing our potatoes. We'll take some of our filling and we'll take some of our filling and we'll put it in a potato like this, and our marination is ready and our stuffed potatoes is ready. I've taken out my marination from the fridge and we'll cover our potatoes with the marination. And then we'll press it like this and keep it in our container. My potatoes are ready and I'll put them in an airtight container so that, and we'll put it overnight in the fridge so that the potatoes get a deep down flavor. The longer we keep the potatoes in the marination, the deep its flavor gets, and it is very important to keep them in the fridge so after it's done we'll bake them. Now I'll keep them in a fridge and we'll check it tomorrow when we are going to bake it. So guys, it has been an overnight and my potatoes has been very well marinated. Now we are gonna bake them for 10 minutes on 180 degrees Celsius. So guys, my potatoes are baked and it is giving a very nice smell. So thank you guys for watching my video. Please like, share, comment down below if you like my recipe and subscribe to my channel. Bye.